important topic of basic maths, that is indices. Look at the example. 3 raised to 5 is read as 3 to the power 5 or 3 raised to 5. The number 3 is the base and number 5 is the index. Rules of indices. If A is any rational number and M and N are any positive integers, then the first rule of indices, A raised to M into A raised to N is equal to A raised to M plus N. That is sum of the index M and N. Take one example. If 5 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 3, that is equal to 5 raised to 4 plus 3, that is addition of index 4 and 3, that is equal to 5 raised to 7. This is the first rule of indices, that is A raised to M into A raised to N is equal to A raised to M plus N. Second rule, A raised to M divided by A raised to N, that is division of two numbers, is equal to A raised to M minus N. Take one example. 8 raised to 6 divided by 8 raised to 4, that is equal to 8 raised to 6 minus 4, that is equal to 8 raised to 2. That means rule is A raised to M divided by A raised to N, that is equal to A raised to M minus N. Third rule of indices, A raised to minus M is equal to 1 upon A raised to M. Take one example. 7 raised to minus 4. Now here 7 is the base and minus 4 is the index. That is equal to 1 upon 7 raised to plus 4. That is minus become plus. Fourth rule, A raised to 0 is equal to 1. That means any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. Take one example. 5 raised to 0 is equal to 1. 8 raised to 0, that is equal to 1. 10 raised to 0, that is equal to 1. That means A raised to 0 is equal to 1. Fifth rule, A raised to M in the bracket raised to N, that is equal to A raised to M into N. Take one example. 4 raised to 3 bracket raised to 2, that is equal to 4 raised to, that is multiplication of index 3 and 2, 3 into 2, that is equal to 4 raised to 6. The sixth rule of indices, in the bracket A into B raised to M, that is equal to A raised to M into B raised to M, that is this index is given to be A and B, that is equal to A raised to M into B raised to M. Take one example. In the bracket 7 into 6 raised to 2 is equal to 7 raised to 2 into 6 raised to 2. Last rule of indices, A upon B in the bracket raised to M is equal to A raised to M upon B raised to M. Take one example. 7 upon 6 in the bracket raised to 2 is equal to 7 raised to 2 upon 6 raised to 2. Friends, numbers play important role in mathematics. Let us take more information about numbers. The first number, natural numbers. You know the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 that are used for the counting. This group of numbers, that is 1, 2, 3 and etc. is called natural numbers. Second, whole numbers. Considering 0 to be a number, it was added to the group of natural numbers. That is, group is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. was formed. The numbers in this group are called whole numbers. Now see, natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. and whole number means 0 added to the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. Third type, that is integers. Now look at the figure. This is a line, is called number line. When points on a line represent numbers, then that line is called number line. 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 on the right side, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 on the left side. On the number line, the point that represents 0 is called origin. That is, this point is called origin of number line. Now we can write this entire group of numbers like this, that 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and plus 4 etc. And the left side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And this group of numbers are called integers. Rational numbers. If A is any integer and B is any non-zero integer, then A upon B is called rational number. Example, 9 upon 4, minus 9 upon 6, 4 upon 9 or 0 upon 4 etc. are rational numbers. All integers are contained in the group of rational numbers. That means natural numbers, whole numbers and integers are rational numbers. Irrational numbers. Numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of recurring decimal are called irrational numbers. For example, root 10 cannot be expressed in the form of recurring decimal. That means root 10 is an irrational number. Pi is also an irrational number. The value of pi is equal to 22 upon 7 or 3.14. Take more examples. Root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 are also irrational numbers. The last number, that is real numbers. All the rational numbers and all the irrational numbers are together known as real numbers. We have seen that natural numbers and integers are all rational numbers. Therefore, all these numbers are real numbers. That means real numbers included rational numbers as well as irrational numbers. Next important topic, graph. In the figure, X line and Y line, both lines intersect each other at point O at right angle. The intersection point is point O. This point O is called origin of coordinate system. The x-axis is horizontal and y-axis is vertical. On the x-axis, the negative numbers are on the left side of the origin O and positive numbers are on the right side of the origin O. On the number line Y, negative numbers are below the origin O and the positive numbers are above the origin O. There are 4 parts in this graph. The first part is called the first quadrant. This is second quadrant, third quadrant and the fourth quadrant. The sign of first quadrant is plus and plus. That means the sign of x-axis is positive and the sign of y-axis is also positive. That means the sign of first quadrant is plus and plus. Sign of quadrant is minus plus. That means sign of x-axis is minus and the sign of y-axis is plus. That means sign of second quadrant is minus and plus. Sign of third quadrant is minus minus. That is, both are minus. See, the sign of x-axis is negative and the sign of y-axis is also negative. That means the sign of third quadrant is minus and minus. Sign of fourth quadrant is plus and minus. Sign of x-axis is plus and sign of y-axis is minus. That means the sign of fourth quadrant is plus and minus. Now see, 4 points is on the graph: point P, point Q, point R and point S. This point P is written as 3 and 2. That means the coordinate of this point is 3 and 2. The x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 2. That means the coordinate of point P is 3 and 2. The coordinate of point Q is given as minus 3 and plus 4. That means the x coordinate is minus 3 and the y coordinate is plus 4. Therefore, the coordinate of point Q is minus 3 and plus 4. The coordinate of point R is given as minus 2 and minus 4. That means the x coordinate is minus 2 and the y coordinate is minus 4. That means the coordinate of point R is minus 2 and minus 4. The last point is given, point S. The coordinate of point S is given as plus 4 and minus 3. That means the x coordinate is 4 and the y coordinate is minus 3. That means the coordinate of point S is plus 4 and minus 3. Friends, in mathematics, there is many important formulae to solve the algebraic expression. The first formula is a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Take one example. x plus 7 whole bracket square is equal to x square plus 2ab. In this example, a means x and b means 7. Now substitute the value. X square plus 2 into a means x and b means 7 plus square of b. Now b means 7, that is square of 7. Simplify this. X square plus 2 into 7, that is 14x, plus square of 7, that is 49. That means the square of a plus b is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the first formula. Second formula, a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Take one example. X minus 7 bracket square is equal to. Now apply the formula. Here a means x and b means 7 is equal to x square minus 2 into a means x and b means 7, that is 2 into x into 7 plus b square, that is square of 7. Simplify this step. X square minus 2 into 7, 14, that is 14x plus square of 7, that is 49. Therefore, a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third formula, a square minus b square is equal to, in the first bracket a plus b, in the second bracket a minus b. That means a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Example, x square minus square of 8. Here a means x, b means 8. Apply the formula. Therefore, x plus 8 in the first bracket and x minus 8 in the second bracket. Therefore, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Fourth formula, a cube minus b cube is equal to, in the first bracket a minus b, in the second bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Take one example, x cube minus cube of 4. Here x means a, 4 means b. Now apply the formula. A minus b, that is x minus 4. A square, that is square of x. A into b, that means x into 4. Square of b means square of 4. Now simplify this step. X minus 4 in the first bracket. Now see the second bracket, x square as it is. 4 into x, that is 4x plus square of 4 means 16. That means formula is a cube minus b cube is equal to, in the first bracket a minus b, in the second bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Next formula, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, in the second bracket a square minus ab plus square of b. Take one example. A means x and b means 4. That means x cube plus cube of 4 is equal to, in the first bracket x plus 4. Now here a x and b means what? 4. Therefore x plus 4. In the second bracket, x square minus ab means x into 4 plus b square means square of 4. Simplify. X plus 4 in the first bracket, and the second bracket x square minus x into 4 means 4x, and square of 4 means 16. A plus b bracket cube, that is cube of a plus b, is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus cube of b. The entire expression presented as, now see, the first number is a and the second number is b. That is cube of first number plus 3, that is 3, into square of first number, that is a square, into second number, that is b, plus 3 into first number into square of second number, that means 3ab square, plus cube of second number, that is cube of b. Let us take one example. Cube of x plus 2 is equal to, now apply the formula. First, cube of a, that is cube of a means what? A means x and b means 2, that is x cube, plus 3a square b, that means 3x square into 2, plus 3ab square, that means 3 into x into square of 2, plus cube of b, that means cube of 2. Simplify this. X cube as it is, 3 into 2, that is 6x square, 3 into x into, now square of 2 means what? Square of 2 means 4, plus cube of 2 is 8. Simplify. X cube plus 6x square plus 3 into 4, 12x plus 8. Formula is cube of a plus b is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus cube of b. Rules of addition and subtraction. Observe the table. In the first column, sign of two numbers, that is plus plus, minus minus, plus minus, minus and plus. In the second column, operation, that is addition or subtraction. In the third column, sign to be given for the answer, that is plus or minus. And some examples are there. Now see the first rule. If two numbers will have positive signs, after addition of two numbers, we have to give positive sign to the answer. Take one example. See the sign of 5 and 4. Plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Second example. Plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Second rule, if two numbers will have negative sign, then after the addition of two numbers, we have to give negative sign to the answer. For example, minus 5 minus 4 is equal to minus 9. Second example, minus 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 9. Third rule, if first number is positive sign and the second number is negative, then after the subtraction of two numbers, we have to give bigger number sign to the answer. For example, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 1. That is bigger number sign minus. Fourth rule, if first number is negative and the second number is positive, then after the subtraction of two numbers, we have to give bigger number sign to the answer. For example, minus 4 plus 4, that is equal to minus 1, that is bigger number sign minus. Second example, minus 4 plus 5 is equal to plus 1, that is bigger number sign plus. That is, if both the numbers are positive numbers, that means after the addition of both the numbers, we have to give bigger number, that is plus or minus sign. Now, if first number is positive, second number is negative, or first number is negative and second number is positive, we have to give bigger number sign. That is the rule of addition and subtraction. Now we see the rules of division. Look at the table. In the first column, signs of two numbers, that is plus plus, minus minus, plus minus, or minus and plus. Operation division. Signs to be given for the answer, that is plus plus or minus minus, and some examples are there. The first rule of division, if the two numbers have positive signs, then after the division, give the positive sign to the answer. For example, 8 upon 4 is equal to 4 2s are 8, that is plus 2. Second rule, if the two numbers will have negative sign, then after the division of two numbers, give the plus sign to the answer. For example, minus 8 upon minus 4, that is equal to plus 2. Third rule of division, if first number is plus and the second number is minus, that is negative, then after the division of two numbers, give the negative sign to the final answer. Take one example, plus 8 upon minus 4, that is equal to minus 2. The last rule of the division, if the first number will have minus sign and the second number will have positive sign, that is plus sign, then after the division of two numbers, give the negative, that is minus sign to the answer. For example, minus 8 upon 4, that is equal to minus 2. In short, number 1, if both numbers are positive, then sign of answer is positive. Number 2, if both numbers are negative, then sign of answer is positive. Number 3, if one number is positive and the other number is negative, then the sign of answer is negative. Now we see the rules of multiplication. In the first column, signs of two numbers, that is plus plus, minus minus, plus minus, or minus plus. In the second column, operation, that is multiplication. In the third column, signs to be given for the final answer, that is plus plus or minus minus, and some examples are there. See the first rule of the multiplication. if the two numbers will have positive numbers or say positive sign, after doing the multiplication, give the plus sign to the answer. For example, 4 into 8, that is plus 4 into plus 8 is equal to 32, or 8 into 4 is equal to 32. The second rule of multiplication, if two numbers will have negative numbers, then after the multiplication, give plus sign to the final answer. For example, first example, minus 4 into minus 8, that is equal to 32. Second example, minus 8 into minus 4, that is equal to 32. Third rule, if first number is positive and the second number is negative, then after the multiplication, give negative sign to the answer. For example, 4 into minus 8, that is equal to minus 32. Second example, 8 into minus 4, that is equal to minus 32. Minus sign is there. Fourth rule, if first number is minus, that is negative, and second number is plus, that is positive, then after the multiplication, give minus sign to the answer. For example, first example, minus 4 into 8, that is equal to minus 32. Second example, minus 8 into 4, that is equal to minus 32. In short, number 1, if both numbers are positive, the product is positive. Second, if both numbers are negative, the product is positive. Third, if one number is positive and the other is negative, then the product is negative.